I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Sharp TVs often use Miracast or a built-in screen mirroring app. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi band as the TV. Mismatched bands can prevent discovery. With the TV powered on, grab the remote and press Input or Home to open the source menu. Once there, navigate directly to Screen Mirroring or Miracast. Don't go into network settings yet. This initiates the TV's listening mode, so your device can find it. Now you move to your phone or PC to initiate the actual cast. On Android, use Cast or Smart View. On Windows, open Action Center and choose Project, then connect to a wireless display. You should see the Sharp TV name because the TV is already in listening mode. Tap or click the TV name to start. A pairing prompt may appear on the TV. Accept it using the remote. If you get a passcode, enter it on your device. Once connected, audio and video route through the TV immediately. Finish by confirming playback and resolution. Make sure apps on your device are allowed to send video. If video stutters, move the device closer to the router or switch both devices to the same 5 GHz band for higher throughput. To end, use the disconnect option on your device or the TV input to stop the session cleanly. If the TV never appears, reboot the TV and your device. Then reopen screen mirroring on the Sharp TV. This clears temporary network or service glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.